Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Tuesday. Overnight we had a little bit of a turnaround in some of the markets. Beans were down. Corn and wheat were up at one point, now is about unchanged. We've got the US dollar was lower, now it's turned higher. Crude and most commodities are higher. As far as news overnight, USDA came out and said that we have about 61% of the corn crop harvested. Illinois is 83, Iowa's 52. We continue to hear that as the harvest progresses, especially in the West, yields are getting better. Also, the farmers are trying to store as much corn as they can. In the beans, 76% of the crop is harvested. Illinois is 76, Iowa 77, down south, Arkansas is 85, and continue to hear big bean yields coming in, and the farmer is selling the beans as they are being harvested. We got our first winter wheat crop rating for the 2017 crop, 59% good to excellent. Last year we were 47. So again, we've got the funds, long beans. They added to those positions yesterday. They're short corn and wheat. They added those positions yesterday. And at least for corn and beans, there's some strong seasonals that were close to some seasonal bottoms as the harvests end. We note that U.S. is competitive as far as bean export prices are concerned. We're still too high in meal. We're competitive against Ukraine as far as corn, but we're still too high versus feed wheat, and we're still too low in wheat versus Russian wheat prices. We did see a crop scout keep his Brazil crop estimate at 101 million tons for next year. He said it could go higher. USDA is at 102. So crop conditions down in South America are off to a favorable start. When the USDA comes out with a November crop report, we expect them to raise the bean crop and the bean carryout. We expect them to maybe lower the corn carryout a little bit, but not by much. We're seeing a little bit more competition for our exports, which could offset a little bit lower crop. And they could raise the wheat carryout due to lower export numbers. Two-week forecast from the Midwest looks good. I mean, temperatures may be normal to maybe a little bit below normal. A couple of rain showers, but nothing too significant. The southeast part of the United States continues to be dry. Again, a little bit of a turnaround in the markets. They're quiet. They're waiting for harvest to complete. They're waiting for money flow. They're waiting for the election, the USDA November report. See what the Fed does with interest rates, and all of that kind of comes into a more choppy trade in somewhat of a trading range. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe, profitable trading day.